Okay, you're looking at one of the raw cabinets in the raw aluminum ready for modules to go in. Again, normally we will paint these in a black so it will increase the contrast, but some applications would prefer the raw silver. This is the module that's just coming off the SMD manufacturing run, and there is no mask on this. That's why it looks so shiny. And that's it. This is the high quality aluminum. You look at the back, there's a heat sink right there that runs along the center. Opens up like this. Your controller and your power supplies would mount right inside here. Obviously we ship it ready to go. And there you go. There's the power supply and there's the controller that's in the center. Very easy to maintain. Training's every bit of 15 minutes on some of these models. We teach you how to replace the power supply, how to replace modules. If you had to replace any of the controllers, it's very simple. We ship every order with spare parts. That's a must. Okay, here you're looking at, this is a portion of the cabinet that you saw in the earlier video. This mounts to the back of the cabinet, and it's the housing that holds the power supply and the controller. Very simple. It's hard to shoot video with one hand and open it, but there you go. There's the controller and the power supply on the inside. Very economical. Like I said, we ship everything with spare parts. Should you have any problem, we'll guide you over the phone. You can call us 24 hours a day. If you need somebody to come out there, we have no problem with that. Just let us know. We're here to support you. Again, USA warranty, USA support 24/7, including holidays. Naturally, we're not sitting in the office at all times during the holidays or maybe at 3 in the morning, but we have our switchboard is programmed to dispatch the phone calls to one of several of our engineers that will basically answer the telephone and handle all your needs. Here you go, more of the cabinet parts that come off the factory run. These are raw aluminum. We will paint them. Again, let us know if you want black, white, or if you want them in the raw aluminum. It's up to you. Every application is different. Here, black cabinets, they're ready to go. The power supplies will bolt to the back of them in the container. Here's the one that is already assembled right here. The next thing has to happen is the modules will go in. That's it. Very simple operation. Very simple operation. We're focusing on transparent, high resolution, high contrast displays. Very simple product. This is the cabinet, as you've seen in other videos. Again, the little container that holds the power supply and will fit right here on the back here with the controller, and the modules will fit on the front here, and the connectors, the ribbon connectors, will poke through there so that the modules will connect. And here's the power supplies that are mounted to the back door. The controller card goes in there too. Very simple product. This is one of the power supplies right here. Again, very simple product. Training is very quick. That's a heat sink right there. All the heat that's radiated from the controller or the power supply comes out the back. Very simple product. That's the power supply. This is the controller. That's it. It's hard to explain because there's nothing to explain. That was your power input and your power output. You can daisy chain the cabinets to run one above another. This is where the connectors go for your modules on the front of the cabinet. Very simple. Left and right side. Very simple. It's very hard to damage anything. Maintenance is a breeze. That's it. So this is where the cabinet connects to the back of the, or actually the power supply section here connects to the back of the cabinet. And we're back to the module. Again, this is off the SMD soldering, wave soldering machine, and there's no mask on the front here. So, and if you were to see the video, which I'll show you in a little while, of the mask being put on with the compression tool. Again, very high quality soldering here. The heat radiates out of the back of the module. That's why the brightness is up to 5500 nits. That's very bright in comparison to what other people are offering. And again, the heat radiates out of the back of the aluminum fins here. The controller is right there on the edge. That's the adjacent part that matches the controller on the opposite side of the cabinet. And again, these modules can go left, right, top, bottom. You can intermix them. There's nothing special about them being in any one place. Alright, here we go. This is the video showing the almighty popular mask material. Again, this material puts on with a compression roller. Other manufacturers are trying to accomplish this by using chemical paints, and you're at risk if perhaps somebody impacted the screen and it had to be repaired. The module, you have to, chemically bathe it so that you can solder it again. Not with this. If there's a problem with the module, if somebody knocks into the screen and ruins a module, it can be easily pulled off, repaired, and put a new mask on it, just like that with this compression roller. That's it. The mask material is much better than any chemical bath or paint because it fits uniform around the edges of the SMD. It's between night and day. And let's go for the next section. This is the the TPR cabinet, the power supply section, and the controller is already mounted on the back of the cabinet here. That's the raw cabinet right there that you're looking right there. So there's more cabinets right there. Again, you can have it in silver, white, or black. I prefer black. I believe that we get the best contrast out of black. But anyways, there you go. The door shuts down as soon as you use your jumper cables for data and power. Simply press down on the door and snap it shut. That's the NovaStar controller. This is what it looks like before it's put inside of the housing. That's it. There's the ribbon connectors on the back there. That pokes through the back side of the cabinet so that the front will allow the modules to snap into the connectors. That's it. There's where the connectors would be. Snap your modules in there. Left or right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. See that? Very hard. You can't break any pins or anything. Look at that. It's made, forward thinking. Come over here. That's the modules being pressed into the cabinet. Line it up and press down with your fingers. It's that easy. I will remind you that this is using Nationstar LED. They are the dominant manufacturer today in high quality LED lamps that give you the best color and the best bang for your money. Some of the new LEDs that are out on the market right now, they do not have a long lifespan. Some of them say they lose like 30% of your illumination in a matter of maybe a year or two. We're not looking for that. Here he's screwing in the modules to secure them in, otherwise they would fall right out if somebody were to press on the back side. So here it's Good, just put a couple little screws in there to hold it in. Come over here, got another guy putting the cabinet together. You know, we've been in the business, I think we opened up 1997. In around 2007, that's when we started working with manufacturers overseas to bring LED to the United States, and nothing has been as hot as this product here. So you're looking at the power supply, that's the controller, and that's the jumper of the power supply that goes from top to bottom. Naturally, you got your data too, and basically all you do is daisy chain your signal going up from one cabinet to the other. Very easy to work with. This is the flexible cabinet right here. So if you have any comments or if you have any suggestions, please send them to us. We really appreciate your input.